Ẹ̀yin ará mi, ẹ káàbọ̀ sí abala Yoruba for me mìíràn. Welcome to another episode of Yoruba for me. Today we'll continue our Yoruba contractions. Okay? Yoruba contractions. Now let's get started. So we've gone through the partial contraction. Now today we're going to be looking at the full contraction. And I will explain why I said full contraction. Full contraction is very important as well. Okay, let's go for it. Now, the full contraction has to do with the word ni. 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 You remember that I told you that when we're doing our blending, that n is very important, and I mentioned contraction. Now, in this contraction has to do with the word ni, and it has a different way that the rule stands for it. Okay. The rule for this one is different. Now, ni, you can see it ends with I. Then, the beginning of the next word, if it starts with other vowel aside E as well, when it's same vowel, then it stays together. But as far as the next word does not have an I to make it same, then there's a rule around it. So, ni, when you see ni and something, then full contraction will happen. If there's a ni with another vowel that doesn't start with E, then full contractions occur. And that is what happens. So, ni, that ni now changed to just L. It changes to what? L, which is li. So, ni changes to li, 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 li. So, that's how it changed. It changed to li. So, when we do our example, you understand it better. Now we have three tones like we have, and the rule still stands. Mi first, do second, and re, which doesn't carry any mark, becomes what? The third one. Now look at it. This is what happens. So when you have ni, if ni blends with a, if the next word is a, it will now become la. Can you see? Ni, this ni turns to l. And the ha now joins it. Okay, so this means we have a word ni, and a is the beginning vowel of the next word. So when the beginning vowel of the next word is a, it becomes la. Okay, so if it is ni a, it becomes la. Let's look at the next one. What do you think? If ni joins with the next word as a vowel of a, what do you think? Ni, a, it becomes what? Le, la, le. If ni joins with e, what do you think it's going to be? Since ni will turn to l, it's going to go with what? Le. So it's la, le, le. Okay? Remember I told you that if ni joins with e, that means it's same vowel. So it doesn't apply to when the next vowel is the same as the ending vowel of ni. Okay? So don't forget that. So we're going to skip e. You remember we have a, e, o, o, u. So we're going to skip that. And for u too, it doesn't apply to it. Okay? But for o, if ni and o joins, what do it becomes? It becomes lo. Good. La, le, li. La, le, lo. Okay? So for this one, if it joins with o, what will it be? Lo. But we don't have anything like li or lu. We have ni, nu. Okay, so the rule only applies to, it doesn't apply to e and u. Okay, so it's very easy, but just know that for those ones, if ni joins with another word that has e, is ni. You just pick one of them. If e joins with another word that comes with u, a lot of Yoruba word doesn't come with u, so that's why it doesn't really apply to it. Okay, there are some dialect that comes with u, but in Yoruba generally most word doesn't come with u. Okay, Alright, so don't bother yourself with the U part. Alright, because we are looking at the vowel for the next word. A lot of words that start with vowel are A, E, O. Okay, so if you don't just know that, then it's fine. Alright, so let's look at some examples. Okay, now let's look at this example. This one say mi, ni, re mi, ọwọ́, ni, ọwọ́, ni, ọwọ́. Can you see this ni now is joining with what? O. So what happens to the contraction? This whole ni turns to what? L alone, and it becomes L, and this other one. But before we now turn the whole thing, we will look at the tone too. This is what? Mi and re. So which one's rule? Mi gets it. So we start say it's not going to be ni, mi. So if you are changing it, it's not going to be what? Lower. Can you see the mi now? The mi here, the tone, the fact that this turned to L doesn't mean that the tone we're going to throw it away. The tone moves to this place. So lower, ni ọwọ́ becomes lower, ni ọwọ́, lower. Okay, let's look at another example. Mi, right? Do. Ni, okay. Ni, okay. So ni, okay. What does it mean? So this one and this becomes what? This one becomes L by the side. But look at the tone. Mi and do. Which one goes first? Which one ranks first? Mi. So mi comes here. It replaces this part. Okay, that will be what? Mi do. Loke. Can you see that the mi now has replaced the do here, and the ni turns to L. Loke. Ni okay becomes loke. Ni okay becomes loke. Okay, let's look at another one. Look at this one. This one is what? Re, ni, mi, o. Re, ni, mi, o. So if you look at it, ni and o, ni turns to what? L beside it. And look at this one, the tone, this what? Re and what? Mi. So which one ranks first? Mi. So mi stays like that. So that's what? Ni. O turns to lo. Ni. O turns to what? Lo. Okay? So that's it. Lo. Ni. O. Lo. And the final one. This one is mi. Ni. Re do. Ayo. Ni. Ayo. Okay? So if you look at it, ni turns to what? L. And we look at what? The tone as well. Tone is what? Mi and what? Re. That's what? Mi is the highly ranked one. Okay? So we put the mi here, because L cannot bear any mark. It's the vowel that will bear the mark. So the vowel bear the mark of the mi that wins. So that will be what? Mi do. Layo. Ni ayo becomes layo. Can you see the full contraction? Because the whole word is changing. That's why we call it full contraction. So ni owo means lower. Ni okay, loke. Ni o lo. Ni ayo, layo. Do you understand that now? So that's for this example. Let's do another round of example. We have mi, re mi, re mi, ni, eyin is teeth, ni, eyin, right? So ni turns to what? L, and the tone moves to this place. So that's what. Lẹ́yìn, mimi, lẹ́yìn. Can you see? The me has moved to the beginning vowel, right? Lẹ́yìn. Okay? What would be ni, redo, aba, ni, aba. It becomes what? Mi, do, laba, and that's what, because ni turns to l and me and re, me wins. So mi, do, laba. Other thing stays laba. Okay? Me is what? Ni, redo, ese. So this one turns to what? L. And the me and re, me wins. So me wins. We're gonna be what? Mi, do. Lese. Mi, do. Lese. Mi, do. Lese. And the final one, let's look at it. That's what? Mi, re, enu. Ni, re, enu. So that's what? L. Then mi moves here. That will be what? Mi, re, le, nu. Mi, re, le, nu. Ni, enu now turns to lenu. Ni, eyin turns to leyin. Ni, aba turns to laba. Ni, ese turns to lese. And ni, enu turns to lenu. Okay? Lenu. Mi, re, lenu. Alright. So that's about it for this class. I hope you enjoy it. Then I have a short quiz for you as usual. Ìdánwò kúkúrú. Look at them and tell me your answer. Okay? Put your answer in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you next time. The next one will be our final episode for the Yoruba contraction. I hope you enjoy this class. If you enjoy it, like, share, and subscribe. Màá tún rí yín nígbà mìíràn. Ó dàbọ̀.